Let's open the Magnetic Blocks Advent Calendar. This comes with 69 pieces of magnetic blocks. Here are all the little windows, and day 1 through 4, we're going to get these characters here. And then day 5 through 7, we get these. Day 8 through 16, we're going to get these. And then 17 through 24, we're going to get these. Let's open this and see what all comes in here. So cute! These are all the pieces that came in our Advent calendar. There's 69 pieces. They're so cute. Look, the little tree, reversible. Here's a snowman. Elf. Here's Santa. Chimney. Their gifts. Don't forget, this is from Amazon. Magnetic Blocks Advent Calendar. So much fun.